Good morning, my dear fellow Toastmasters and guests. LOC. It's a terror word, I should say. In my journey of leadership, LOC, I will call it as line of control. To be a leader, you have to effectively manage your emotions, control your emotions, or get consumed by them. Take for an example, if your subordinate is not doing a proper work or whatever the expected output from him, he could not give. If you shout at him, he will get demotivated, the work will not get done. Your control over emotions is very important. That is where it determines the predominant amount of your leadership skills. I would like to give you a very short story. 14 years back, I was a fresh BCom graduate. That time I completed my cost and works accountancy course. CWA erstwhile, now it is a CMA. So I choose to do a CA course. To do a CA course, I should undergo a 3 years mandatory training. In the training, I was deputed to one client, which was my first job, I should say, as a finance and accounts manager. So BCom graduate means like you'll say like after completing +2, 3 more years of experience or education. So my age was like 21. In that role, I had two reportees. One BCom with 8 years experience. Another one BCom with 5 years experience. I didn't press any panic button. I was very calm. The only advantage which I had is like I had a professional degree, CMA. But how do I manage this work effectively and deliver? That is the only thought process which I had in my mind. This is 14 years back. That is the point of time where I had my first love, first job, first leadership. Everything happened at the same point of time. It was a catastrophic event, I should say. But how did I combat that? How did I manage it effectively to come out successful? That was my first leadership experience. First, I didn't show to them that I'm a fresher. I showed like have a good amount of educational experience. You have a good amount of practical experience. We should work together as a team to achieve the objectives for the organization. So to all the two of my reportees, I have a daily meeting and will tell like what is that we are going to do. I don't dictate the terms to them. Rather, I will involve them in the decision making because that was the time which I am first taking a leadership role. So I try to understand like what they do. Okay, then I suggest them it will be better if you do this way. Work together as a team. That was the first thing which I learned to effectively execute the works. Study the pros and cons of the role and lay down the priorities. You would have 10 number of works to do, but what is that more critical work? You have to study and understand, lay down the priorities. Understand the expectation of the role. And be appreciative of the work done by our fellow workers. So these are the guiding principles which I had to manage that work successfully. I would always say one thing to myself, like it is always easier to say I am quitting, but it is very tough to be in the job, learn the skills or acquire the skills and master it. 2 months back, for one of the organization, I recruited a fresher. I told him that don't worry, I will help you to grow. I will teach you what you're supposed to do. Don't panic. You just do what I say. Slowly will gain confidence. But after 2 days, he called me and say like, I'm quitting. I said like, why you worrying? So nothing to worry. Okay. These are basic activities. You do these activities one by one, you will gain confidence. I sat with him. I made sure that he gains that confidence. Now it is going on successfully. Okay. If you have a trust, even in a fresher, if you can make him to work and if you can make him to learn, definitely all the work you do will be successful. That is a good trait of a leader. Just to summarize at an overall level, how do I brand myself? Okay, I'm a blend of aggressive and appreciative leader. So leadership is about the test of character and test of your inner strength. Even in tough situations, if you can manage your emotions and deliver it perfectly, like I think it will sail through. Back your team. If you're down, the team will back you. That will be always your motto. Learn to implement. Even your fellow co-workers or fellow leaders, if they done a good project, try to appreciate that. Try to acquire new skills from them. So it will try to ensure that like you're always wanted to improve. That visibility will able to bring it to the table. 4, be wanted always. Whatever opportunity which comes your way, just grab it, be wanted. That you will be the go-to guy at any point of time. All these characteristics which I feel like are important for my employee to entrepreneurship journey as well. Overall, this is what I sum it as a line of control, and this is about my leadership skill. Thank you. Over to you, TMOD.